time. Hi and welcome. Growing up in Indonesia, I was taught to remember where I came from. But now, that I've explored and traveled far beyond home, and this lesson has only grown stronger. No matter where I go, I find myself keep going back to my root. Because for me, roots are more than a foundation. They are our values, and they shape how we grow as a person. So today, through coffee and good spirits, I want to reimagine your cocktail by tracing them back to their own roots in every sense of the word. And friends, today I have prepared a menu card that will guide you through our experience today. Take your time while I'm preparing your coffee. And friends, your first cocktail today will be warm, botanical, digestive. And this one is perfect to be served in a restaurant after a dinner. It is inspired by tamarind turmeric, a classic Indonesian medicinal drink known for its ability to support our digestive system. Made out of turmeric, it is a type of fruit that has citrus and spice quality, mixed with tamarind and also palm sugars. And today, I have prepared a sample, not to be scored, simply for your reference. So please take a sip, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Friends, you've tasted the root. Now let me take you to the coffee component that gives structure into our coffee cocktail. Just like plants draw strength from the roots, today I draw mine from my homeland, Indonesia. And this is Kartika cultivar from Bali in Indonesia. It is a cross between Katimor and Katura, known for its resilience and quality. And this coffee was processed as an anaerobic natural process, which will give a vibrant fruity characteristic that reminds me of orange and plum. And today, to bring out that notes, I'm brewing 30 grams of a medium ground coffee to 225 grams of a 95 degrees Celsius water, stirred inside immersion dripper for 35 seconds. This method allows me to extract coffee concentrations with the minimum investment because all I need is just immersion dripper and hot water that you can take from water boiler. Now, while waiting for the coffee, let's put the drink inside this mixing glass together. Starting off with our spirits of the day, we have Escape Rum Añejo, a blended rum aged inside an ex-bourbon barrel. But today it has a molasses quality. But today when combined with other ingredients, it will create a new flavors of orgeat. 20 ml of the spirit. Next, we have Flan Twin Benjamin Miller Cherry with the V. It has a prominent dark cherry quality. But today, when combined with my coffee, it will create a new flavors of sour plum. And today, we'll be using 30 ml of the spirit. Thank you. Next, to elevate fruity characteristic, today I have Dayame Soju. The spirit was made out of fruit, which is sweet potato, resulting in lychee quality. But today, when combined with other ingredients, it will create the new flavors of apricot. We'll be using 30 ml of the spirit as well. Last but not least, as our tamarind and turmeric base, I made a tamarind and turmeric syrup. I made this by mixing equal parts of tamarind with turmeric with 10 parts of simple syrup and 5% of rice vinegar, cook at boiling temperature, and then strain using agar-agar to add clarity and also texture. And today we'll be using 50 ml of this syrup, which will give us a candy-like sweetness that reminds me of tamarind candy. And now, I'm going to blend my filter coffee with the rest of the ingredients using hand blender. This method will allow me to incorporate air into the cocktail, which will reduce the volatile ethanol and make your warm cocktail experience taste smoother. Your cocktail today will be served at 43 degrees Celsius, which will highlight the balance between acidity and sweetness. And it will be served inside this porcelain cup. The materials will allow me to retain heat longer, while the thin shape will let every single note to shine through. And friends, in each of your glass you will find the notes that reminds you of orange, sour plum, orgeat, with a sour and sweet and umami candy that reminds me of tamarind candy. And today, I will serve your cocktail on top of this root coaster, glowing root coaster. It's a reminder that everything around us comes from its own root. So friends, what I have shared with you today, it goes beyond cocktail. It is a piece of where I came from, Indonesia, and the root that continue to guide me unto who I am today. So friends, I hope this drink reminds you that no matter and how far you go, our root will carry us.